I built a startup in Bolt.new that wrote the code according to my wishes. I tried to build a shop that lets people buy products from small businesses. The app should provide a stylish user interface where you can buy several things. So let's get started. First, we need to type in what we want. I modified my prompt with the help of ChatGPT, and in a matter of seconds, we get a first version of our website. Now we add the following. There should be a stylish main page. We upload an image from Dribbble and ask Bolt to design a similar looking main page. And Bolt managed to do that. As we can see, there is a cards button on the top. Bolt managed to create a card page as well. And as we see, we can already navigate between the main page and the card page without even asking for it separately. Next, we want the following. Upon clicking an item, the user should be directed to a separate page displaying the item with a description beneath the displayed item, a price, and a buy button that after clicking adds the item to the shopping cart. And as we see, Bolt managed to code all of that correctly. It's amazing. Once the AI helps us with this, we already have a flowing system. Now we could continue by adding and adjusting more, so if you want to see part 2, then let me know in the comments.